Okay, what we're going to do is we're going to go through and we're going to create what's called a presentation file. This is basically just an exploded assembly, so it pulls our original assembly apart and it gives us kind of a blueprint of how everything goes together. So if we click on new part up here, we're going to go down to a presentation file. So the first thing it's going to ask you is, what is your assembly? So I'm going to click on the assembly I created earlier, and then down here at the bottom you can expand it up how I have it. This is the storyboard, so as we do the assembly, it's going to track everything we do down here at the bottom. So first thing we want to do is we're going to click tweak component, and then what I'm going to do is I'm going to select my object, and then once I have my object selected, I have these three different directional arrows, so I can go on the X, Y, or Z axis, and all I'm going to do is I'm going to go through and pull them apart, and I can zoom in and out and move just like in any other environment. I'm going to click my next one. I'm going to go up with this. I'm going to do my red piece, and this one I'm going to go up and then I'm going to go back. If I know exactly how far, I can actually type that distance in. If I don't know how far, I'm just kind of eyeballing it to where it looks good. So you can see here is I can actually be moving these, so if I want them to move at the same time, or it will separate them out. So after I get done with all those tweaks, I can simply hit play, and just like a video player, it's going to show all of those movements together. So you'll notice the last one, that the green one, I didn't click accept or finish, so I'm going to go through and pull that one off, and then all I got to do is check mark this, so you can see it added it down here. Now if I wanted these to happen at the same time, I can actually move this, so if I hit play, it's going to pull all those things at the same time. So if I wanted multiple things to occur at once, I could actually move all of these through and play with this. So all we need to do is, I'm just going to have them move each separately. Ultimately what I need for my design is I want kind of how it goes together in a pulled apart manner, because I'm going to steal that image for when I create a drawing sheet.